Okay, Cal, I'm gonna play Puttin' Out the Cat for you. I'm gonna do, hopefully, all the changes we talked about. So the ending, I'm not gonna do the roughs. I'm not gonna do the fills on the toms. I'm just gonna play as strictly as close as I can to what we've talked about. There's the solo ad-lib section. I'm gonna stick to what we've done. I'm not putting in any extra craziness. Make sure you're counting along with me and listening to the melody. It tells us exactly what to do. So I'm gonna hit play on this. Hopefully you can hear everything balanced wise. And it starts right out of the gate, so I have to jump in with it. Here we go. One, two. Fair enough. I hope you could hear everything. It's pretty much what we're talking about doing. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. Just get familiar with the actual song, and the music kind of plays itself. There's nothing really extra crazy about it. Just trust yourself. Confidence. Bye-bye.